Bonjour et bienvenue à la suite de ce let's play de Gabriel Knight 1 Sins of the Fathers, l'édition 20e anniversaire. Je suis un peu lassé parce que c'est la 3e ou 4e fois que je fais mon intro ce soir, car j'ai eu plusieurs soucis et il a fallu que je refasse tout le début de la journée 4 parce que j'avais perdu la sauvegarde. Donc je clique sur continuer. Normalement, j'ai fait quasiment tout ce qui s'était déjà passé. Savoir qu'on a parlé à notre grand-mère, on a été au grenier, on a lu le journal, ce qui nous a permis donc d'aller... et on a pris les messages auprès de Grace, ce qui nous a débloqué la maison Napoléon, le bar. Nous avons essayé de parler à Cash, que nous avons d'abord observé à la jumelle quand il parlait au tam-tam. Et donc notre objectif, c'est de récupérer l'argent supplémentaire afin d'acheter la tête de crocodile à la pharmacie, afin d'avoir quelque chose à donner à Cash. Parlons une dernière fois à la maison Napoléon. Qu'est-ce qu'il va nous dire pour raccrocher les wagons?
You come here a lot, don't you?
C'est tout? Barman?
Could I ask you a few questions?
Sure.
133, le chiffre est plutôt bon. A priori, on a déjà tout balancé.
So what has Sam told you about voodoo?
That's about all I can.
Donc, il va falloir poser des questions à Sam. Mais Sam est occupé. Est-ce qu'on peut parler à Marcus une fois d'abord?
Sorry to bother you, but
I'm not the chatty type, am I, Sam?
No, you old bastard, you're not.
Besides, I'm busy sucking poor old Sam dry. Go bug someone else.
You're a real sweetheart, Marcus, you bastard.
Très bien. Donc, nous voici au moment. La grand-mère nous avait dit d'aller au cimetière. Et là, normalement, si j'ai suffisamment de points en haut à gauche, le fait d'aller voir la tombe des Wright devrait débloquer la suite de la journée. Et il ne se passe rien. Bien, alors on va lire.
DeMarco reads, Franklin Wright.
these are Grant's folks. I never knew them.
On va lire toutes les plaques, c'est peut-être ça qui ne va pas.
DeMarco reads, Merrill Planter Wright.
These are Grant's folks. I never knew them.
DeMarco reads, Harley Wright.
Grant's sister. She died young.
D'accord, il y avait une
DeMarco
sœur.
reads, Harrison Knight.
Granddaddy.
DeMarco reads, Philip Knight.
Daddy.
Philippe!
DeMarco reads, Margaret Templeton Knight.
My mother.
Someone has left a small vase by the Wright family tomb.
Not
Oui,
sure who else comes here besides me and Gran, but that was nice of them.
et il se passe toujours rien.
Gabriel doesn't want to take the nameplates from his family.
Alors on va leur parler.
Hey, Daddy. Miss you, Mom. How's it going, Granddaddy? Oh, shoot.
Vous êtes sérieux?
Looks like someone left something in that vase.
C'était ça? Il fallait parler aux tombes afin que un écureuil renverse le vase. C'était le seul moyen de récupérer l'argent. Donc pour l'instant, je considère que c'est la plus grosse erreur de ce jeu.
Looks like it's my lucky day.
Ouais, parce que franchement, c'est une question de chance pour avoir tout ce qu'il faut. Là, tu peux passer des heures et des heures à chercher la solution sans jamais la trouver. Il faut parler aux morts. Eh bien, on a l'argent. On a l'argent, on peut enfin avancer. C'est parti.
Aye.
Mm-hmm.
Can I ask you just a few more questions?
Whatever, man.
C'est pas un super vendeur.
Would you take 50 for Willie Jr.?
Don't insult me, monsieur.
What? You said you'd sell it for 100 before.
You misheard, monsieur.
D'accord, donc le seul moyen d'y arriver, c'est de prendre l'argent dans la main et de le donner.
I have $120. You still want to sell that crocodile mask?
That's 120 sure enough. That mask is yours, sir.
C'est bien pour faire plaisir au jeu. Hein. 120$ pour cette daube. C'est pour offrir, fais-moi un paquet cadeau.
Here you go. Careful it don't bite you now.
Même pas un
Yeah,
sac,
thanks.
rien.
Now,
Bon, c'est
don't
pas
you
grave,
go
ça tiendra
forgetting
dans la
your
poche.
lagniappe. A free bottle of Master Gambling Oil.
The sign said I could get Lady Luck oil instead.
Well, I was thinking a man as young as you wouldn't be needing that kind of remedy. But, you's having problems with your,
That's all right. Believe me, I don't need it. I'll just stick with this. Thanks anyway.
'Cause it ain't none of my business if you do need it now, huh?
I don't need it.
Oh, of course you don't.
Très bien, on a de l'huile vaudou qui est marquée.
The small bottle is labeled Master Gambling Oil.
Gambling, ce qui veut dire jouer au jeu. Avoir de la chance. Et je pense que ce monsieur, il a besoin de chance. Puisqu'il connaît le vaudou.
Got a second, Sam? It's about your game.
I don't have a game, that's my problem. Don't you touch those chess pieces while I'm gone, you bastard.
I ain't never needed to cheat yet, you loser.
Thought you might be interested in this gambling oil.
Let me see that. Master Gambling Oil. What's it for?
Alors, Marcus l'utilise. Bah, Marcus l'utilise.
Don't you ever wonder why Marcus wins
Ça
every
paraît
time?
évident.
Whoa, hold it. You really think Marcus uses this stuff?
Would I make something like that up?
Get out of here. Marcus would never use something like this.
Well, if that's what you want to believe.
Ouais.
This is a powerful voodoo oil.
Ah, go on. Really?
Non.
You might be able to sell it to some poor dumb sucker.
No, you sell it to some poor dumb sucker.
Mais je vais quand même pas cliquer ça.
This voodoo oil could make a nun get lucky.
Really? You think it really works, huh?
I'd stake my reputation as a novelist on it.
Mauvaise traduction.
And you say Marcus uses this. That explains a lot. Let me see that bottle.
Heureuse en amour, mais non. Chanceuse.
This looks authentic.
Oh, it is.
If I could really beat that bastard.
Ah, c'est peut-être une
Stonewall, give me a
expression,
tin cup, would
mais
you?
faut la
Coming
connaître.
up,
Hein.
Sam.
Faut la connaître, l'expression. Il n'y avait aucune chance de cliquer là-dessus si on
How
connaissait pas
much you
l'expression.
think I ought to put in here?
Careful, you don't want to overdo it. Too much luck can be dangerous.
Ha! There's no such thing as too much. Now stand back.
Come on already, I'm ready to checkmate.
We'll
sens
see
qu'il va
about that,
passer
Mr. Smarty Big
Sa
Mouth.
soirée aux toilettes. Une bonne courante. 3, 2, 1. Magie.
Checkmate! Checkmate, you bastard!
Son of a bitch.
20 years I've been waiting to say that. Checkmate! Checkmate! Checkmate!
You are the biggest butthead, Sam Singleton, that I have ever met.
Checkmate!
You... You can just put that chessboard where the sun don't shine.
Hallelujah! I did it! Yippee!
Donc on a passé des heures
Nice
à le
game.
regarder jouer.
Nice game. Hell, I was brilliant. Course, I gotta give some of the credit to that oil of yours. I've been losing to that guy for 20 years. If you ever need a favor, you come to Sam, you hear?
Will do.
Mais pas un jour, aujourd'hui.
Can I ask you some questions now?
Look, I'd be glad to help you out, but I've been stuck in this bar too long to know much about anything.
Quoi? Faut lui balancer directement ces trucs-là?
Does this mean anything to you?
Not really.
Ah. Je veux te parler du vaudou, moi. Ah mais oui, bien sûr, c'est un joaillier.
Could you do anything with this?
What is this, a clay mold? Well, I am a jeweler, you know. And I owe you one. Would you like me to cast this for you?
If you can.
You got it, pal. Actually, it'll be a pleasure to get my tools out. First time in years. I've been too busy playing that goddamn game. I'll have the bracelet later today. Right now, I feel like I could do anything. Meet me here in a few hours.
Great, thanks.
Dans quelques heures. On va encore l'attendre plusieurs fois. C'est une drôle de musique pour un bar, mais j'aime bien. Quelques heures.
Could I ask you a few questions?
Sure, I'm not.
Tell me about the street musicians around.
Don't know what else I could say.
S'il dit quelques heures, on va devoir sortir. Et si le jeu est magique, ça devrait suffire. Non. Bien. Allons dans la cathédrale. Allons parler aux mourants.
Crash is huddled in a pew.
Come on, talk to me.
L'article sur le vaudou, peut-être? J'y crois pas.
Do you recognize this?
No.
Comment on avait fait pour le faire parler un peu plus?
Do you recognize this?
No.
Ah, il y a un truc que j'avais peut-être fait sur mon premier try, que j'ai pas refait là. C'est de parler au poste de police. Pour rouvrir l'affaire, je crois. Il me semble. C'est assez lointain. Allez, je suis sûr que c'est ça.
Knight,
C'est ça.
hate to tell you this.
I had a feeling you.
On va zapper ça. Je me souvenais pas que la musique était aussi forte, aussi présente. Mosley,
I have to tell you.
Hey,
rouvrir l'affaire.
How can I?
look.
So,
With what?
the.
Okay,
What do you mean?
you need prove that there's a legitimate prove
Trouver
that
une
they're a
secte,
threat.
une
Get
menace
me a
et une piste. Ok. Alors, voilà l'article.
This is a newspaper clipping about a murder committed in 1810. That murder is an exact match of the voodoo murders, right down to the marks around the bodies.
This does sound like the same MO. 1810.
1810. They killed then, they're killing now. Isn't that proof that they're likely to kill again? Or that they are a threat?
Sure, if there is a voodoo cult, they're a threat.
Donc là, on a prouvé la menace. S'il y a une secte. Faut prouver qu'il y ait une secte maintenant. Le VV.
You know those marks you found around the murder victims? This is a reconstruction of the whole pattern.
What makes you think this is an accurate reconstruction?
Qu'est-ce qu'on a
Well,
prouvé?
I borrowed the partial patterns from your police file and did my own tracing of the pattern at Lake Pontchartrain. An architectural artist reconstructed it for me from the partials.
Really? So this is the whole pattern, huh? That's pretty good work, Knight. But that doesn't prove that this pattern is really connected to voodoo.
Ça ne prouve pas que c'est connecté au voodoo. Que le meurtre est connecté au voodoo. Ça prouve qu'il y a une secte. Ça prouve pas le lien. On peut essayer de lui montrer le code, mais j'y crois pas. Ah, on peut essayer de lui montrer les écailles de serpent.
Mosley's seen as much in that.
D'accord. Et comme c'est pas la même écaille, je suis pas sûr que ce soit très utile.
That doesn't prove any.
C'est bien ce que je pensais. Donc, le code, essayons.
That doesn't prove any.
D'accord. Je pense qu'on n'ira pas plus loin.
Can I ask
On
you
va faire
about
le
You're
test.
the writer.
how can I convince you to reopen the...
I already. You still need to prove that there's a legitimate.
Trouver la secte.
Get me a lead on the cult.
Et une piste. Prouver la secte et apporter une piste. Prouver la secte. On l'aura peut-être plus tard avec le bracelet, je sais pas. La piste, je pense que c'est... Ah, je sais pas si c'est le VV. Bon, on va sortir. Et on va voir si le temps est passé. Oui! On avance, on avance, on avance à grands
Sam,
pas.
my man.
Hey there, it's you. I got that bracelet for you. This piece was a real toughie. For some reason, the metal just wasn't setting. I must be out of practice.
Well, it looks good to me. Thanks, Sam.
No problem. By the way, I'm heading out of town tonight.
Yeah? Where to?
Marcus used to tell me that if I ever beat him at chess, he'd take me around the world. The old bastard has enough money stuffed in his mattress to cover the federal deficit, and he hates spending a penny of it.
Sounds like fun. Good luck.
Are you kidding? Luck is my middle name.
C'est son deuxième prénom. Et son nom de famille, c'est Huile Vaudou. Alors, la cathédrale Saint-Louis. Et Monsieur le Pestiféré. Regarde ce bracelet. Un bracelet vaudou.
Do you recognize this?
Where did you get that?
Tout
Why?
près.
Do you know something about it?
Know something about it? Look at this.
Crash opens his shirt and reveals a tattoo.
It's the same snake.
It's their sign, man. The bark of the snake. Without it, they'll never let you get close.
Le
The sign
camp
of the
des
snake.
serpents.
Right. Your tattoo, my bracelet. Now do you believe that I know something about these people?
All right, yeah. You know about them.
I guess.
I guess.
Will you answer some questions for me now?
Okay, I'll talk to you. A little,
quick.
but make it fast.
Eh bah t'as une sale tronche, effectivement. Direct les joueurs.
I saw you talking to that drummer. What did you tell him?
You saw me with the drummer? Nobody's supposed to see. Oh, shit! I blew it again. Promise you won't say nothing to no one. It'll get back to him. Everything does. Promise me you won't tell anyone you saw me.
Okay, but you have to tell me everything I want to know.
Okay, alright. I was sending a message, man. They have these rider drummers posted around the quarter. They see everything, and they report.
Report? How?
The drums, man. It's some kind of code.
Voilà. Ah, ça zappe direct le vaudou. On n'en a plus besoin. On a l'info. Ils transmettent les codes. Ça prouvera peut-être qu'il y a une secte. On verra si ça suffit.
Tell me what you know about a secret voodoo hound fall in Nolans.
All right, all right. There's this underground cartel in Nolans.
Un cartel.
A voodoo cartel. They control everything that happens on the street. I mean everything that's bought or sold. They have fingers in the legit world too. Banks, foreign stuff, you name it. There's supposed to be this temple. What you said, a hound for. That's their headquarters, man. I heard people say it's underground, somewhere in the Quada. I don't know where though.
Have you ever been there?
No, I've never been in it. I'm nobody, man. But I saw them once. Out at the lake. They became animals, man.
Hey, are you okay?
The eyes. The eyes of the
The eyes
snake.
of the tiger.
I think I should go get a doctor. Hey, are you all right? Someone! I need help!
The eyes. The eyes of the snake. Dambala.
Crash?
Crash
Dambala.
spasms twice more, then dies as Gabriel watches.
Oh my god. Oh, poor bastard.
Dambala. Ah, poil.
I guess I'd better copy this tattoo.
Je jure que je ne joue pas avec un walkthrough à côté. Ce que je fais là, je le fais de mémoire. Il me semble que c'est tout. On a récupéré le tatouage, normalement c'est tout. Bon, le prêtre est toujours pas là. On a le tatouage.
The tracing is of a snake tattoo from Crash's chest.
Qu'est-ce qu'on a de plus du coup? Non, on peut pas lui parler, il est mort. Est-ce que c'est fini ou pas? Non, il reste quelque chose à faire. J'irai bien voir Mosley, lui montrer ce que j'ai récupéré. C'est peut-être ce qu'il faut pour ouvrir l'affaire. Parler des tambours, montrer le bracelet, montrer le tatouage. Et surtout le cadavre. Voyons si ça
Hey,
suffit.
Mosley.
Knight, I had a feeling you'd show up.
Can I ask you about some stuff?
You're the writer. Ask away.
La mort de Crash.
Crash is dead.
What? What are you talking about? I just let him go this morning.
Yeah, well, that turned out to be a brilliant move. Though they probably would have gotten him anywhere.
They? You're losing it, Knight.
It was the voodoo cult. They did it. Crash said that...
You're an amateur, so let me give you some advice. Crash is well, he was a junkie.
St. Louis Cathedral.
Lovely. Well, we'll make sure he's picked up sometime today so he doesn't scare the shit out of some nun.
Your professionalism is astonishing.
Ouvre
How
l'affaire.
can I convince you to reopen the case?
I already told you still need to prove that there's a legitimate... Get me a lead on the...
Prouver qu'il y a une secte. Et si le tatouage de serpent pouvait te prouver qu'il
I
y avait
took this
quelque chose?
tracing from a tattoo on Crash's chest. It's related to the underworld voodoo cult.
Yeah? What makes you think that?
It's what Crash said just before he died.
He was probably hallucinating from the drugs he OD'd on. Probably got that in the Navy or something.
No, I'm sure it's
Ouais, il me
related.
déçoit.
It's a snake, see? And if...
Even if it were a signal of some sort, that doesn't prove that the murders were done by a legit voodoo cult.
Clairement, il fait en sorte d'ignorer toute piste possible.
I have this snake bracelet. It's a replica of one used in secret voodoo ceremonies a few decades ago.
Really? What makes you think so?
I got it from an old Creole lady whose grandmother was an acolyte of Marie Laveau.
Gabriel, Gabriel. We get those little old ladies in here all the time. That bracelet is probably not genuine, and it would...
Ok. Là, je vais avoir des problèmes si mes preuves ne suffisent pas. Bon, peut-être qu'il suffisait juste de dire que Crash était mort.
A sign on the front door.
Ouais, on verra. Poste de police, c'est fait. La maison Napoléon, c'est fait. Ici, c'est fait. Là, je suppose que c'est fait. Là, c'est fini. Allons voir le musée.
Hello, Dr. John.
Glad you could return to us, Mr. Knight.
Montrons-lui le bracelet.
Does this mean anything to you?
I cannot see that it does.
Ok, il me manque encore une fois le tatouage.
Do you recognize this snake figure?
How curious. Where did you find it?
Oh, just lying around.
I would throw it away if I were you.
Why is that?
It looks like trouble to me, Mr. Knight.
Il n'y a plus de petite musique. Comment je peux être coincé à ce niveau de la journée?
Thanks a lot. Bye now.
Come back again.
Ah, on peut faire des mélanges.
The iridescent scale is hued.
Oui, ça je le savais. Ah non, on peut pas en fait. J'ai cru. D'accord, on ne peut que le regarder celui-là. Paf, paf, paf. L'université. Le temps est passé, peut-être que...
The door
lui
to
parler.
Hartridge's
Non.
office is locked.
Non, 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 non. Allons voir si on peut avancer de ce côté.
Gabriel, my love, how nice to see you.
Nice to see you too, Graham.
On va lui montrer le bracelet ou alors le tatouage. Non, on peut pas lui montrer. Attends, c'est la grand-mère ou c'est le sofa? Ok, j'ai eu peur.
Does this mean anything to you, Graham?
Sorry, no, Gabriel.
Paf, 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 le tatouage. Non, pas le sofa.
Does this mean anything to you, Graham?
Sorry, no, Gabriel.
Qu'est-ce qu'on pourrait faire? Réfléchissons. On peut toujours essayer de passer par la bibliothèque. Qui sait? Il y a peut-être le numéro de téléphone que j'ai pas encore composé qui nous manque. C'est peut-être ça. On peut toujours
Hello,
essayer.
beautiful. It's me.
The excitement of seeing you is killing me.
Alors, il y a peut-être des recherches à lui demander de faire.
Got a minute, Grace?
What's up?
What's up? Demande de
Could you do
recherche.
some research
C'est
for
ça
me?
qu'il fallait.
Sure, what?
Les tambours.
Could you research Rada drums for me?
Rada drums? Sure. I don't think we have any books on that topic in the assuming any of them will extend you any credit.
Tell them it's an emergency.
Uh-huh. I can see where a Rada drum book would be incredibly urgent.
I can't think
Allez,
of
s'il vous
anything.
plaît. J'ai fait tout ce que je pouvais là. À part téléphoner. Téléphoner à Wolfgang Ritter. Il va sûrement me dire que non, ça sert à rien. Remarque, j'ai pas montré le papier à ma grand-mère.
Didn't Grace say you had to dial 011 first?
0, 1, 1, 4, 9, 0, 9, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3.
I'm not calling Germany. That Wolfgang Ritter guy says he's a relative, but I've never heard of him.
Je pense que c'est ça qui me manque. Comment on peut faire pour l'appeler? Comment on pourrait débloquer? Est-ce qu'il faudrait pas montrer le papier à la grand-mère? C'est peut-être ça la solution. Allons voir la grand-mère et lui montrer le petit papier. J'espère que ça suffira.
Gabriel, come in.
Hi, Gran.
Bon. Tiens, le papier.
Does this mean anything to you, Gran?
Sorry, no.
I'm gonna go up to the attic again.
Si c'est pas
Enjoy
elle,
yourself, dear.
c'est le grenier. Il y a forcément un des deux. Cette horloge. On va jouer un peu avec, écoute. Qu'est-ce qu'on peut faire? Je sais pas moi. Tiens, c'est curieux, ça s'arrête pas sur 2 heures. Ah, c'est pareil, c'est au-dessus de 3 heures. Ok, je retire ce que j'ai dit, il y a pire que l'écureuil, il y a ça. Il y a forcément quelque chose à faire, mais... Comment savoir quoi faire? Ah mais... En même temps, je bouge les trucs. Mais on doit utiliser la clé en même temps.
Nothing happens.
Voilà.
The key winds the clock's mechanism.
Granddaddy, you old fox.
Maintenant, faudra m'expliquer pourquoi 3 heures. On ramasse. Pourquoi 3 heures?
I don't think there's anything else in that.
Ah, on n'a pas le droit de regarder. Pourquoi 3 heures? Bon.
The back of the photo has the following written on it. Schloss Ritter, 1925.
D'accord. En tout cas, on a le lien avec la famille Ritter, là, cette fois-ci.
The letter is written in German, but Gabriel determines what he can about it. It was sent from a place called Schloss Ritter in Rittersberg, West Germany. The letter is addressed to mein Sohn Heinz and signed Wilhelm Ritter. One of the reoccurring words strewn throughout the letter is the word Schattenjäger. The only other thing that Gabriel can decipher about the letter is a sense of urgency in the handwriting and in the heavy use of a quill tip, bold strokes and underlining.
Schattenjäger. Truc qu'on retrouvera dans Gabriel Knight 2. C'est quand même 2 jeux que j'ai fini en entier. En même temps, le deuxième, je l'avais fini avec une soluce parce que c'était assez tordu. C'était pire que celui-ci. Bon, c'est casse-pied quand on essaie de cliquer sur la grand-mère, on clique sur le sofa. Non, j'aurais voulu montrer le papier. Ça aurait gagné du temps.
Can we talk, Gran?
Of course, my boy.
Bon, bah voilà, le Schattenjäger.
Have you ever heard of a Schattenjäger?
Schattenjäger? Schattenjäger. My goodness, you've given me a chill. Your granddad used to say that sometimes in his sleep.
Really?
Je crois que
Do
c'est
you know what it
chasseur
means?
de dragons ou un truc
No,
comme ça.
I'm afraid not. I asked him about it once. I don't think he answered me. Odd.
Huh. Thanks, Gran. Do you know anyone named Heinz Ritter?
Heinz
T'aurais pu
Ritter.
commencer par ça, non?
Oh, Gabriel. Where did you hear that name?
I found a letter in Granddaddy's clock.
C'est pas vrai. On a reçu
I
un...
promised I'd never tell you or
Un
your
message.
father, but I suppose it doesn't matter now.
Tell me, Gran.
un
Your
secret.
granddad's name was Heinz Ritter before he came to America. He changed it to Harrison Knight legally when he arrived.
C'est un ancien nazi, je le savais. Eh oui, un blond aux yeux bleus.
Do you know anyone named Wolfgang Ritter?
Wolfgang Ritter? Oh, no, dear.
Huh. Odd.
As I said, your granddad's surname was originally Ritter.
D'accord, donc Heinz Ritter, c'était le grand-père, et Wolfgang Ritter, elle ne sait pas qui c'est.
Oh, nothing.
All right, dear.
Mais on a l'info, on va pouvoir enfin téléphoner. Il a laissé un message, on a récupéré son numéro, et il aura fallu ouvrir un mécanisme compliqué dans une boîte planquée dans
I knew
une
you'd
malle
miss me, so
dans
I
le
came
grenier de notre
Really? I
grand-mère,
forgot you were gone.
et ensuite en parler à la grand-mère pour avoir le droit de téléphoner au type qui nous a demandé de le rappeler. C'est quand même assez fort. C'est quand même assez fort. Les mécaniques de jeu parfois sont un peu trop tordues.
Didn't Grace say you had to dial 011 first to get
Allez.
international?
Et on va se taper à nouveau le numéro à rallonge. parce que ce serait trop simple que le jeu compose automatiquement le numéro.
Guten Tag, Sie haben Schloss Ritter erreicht.
I'm looking for Wolfgang Ritter.
Ja, einen Moment.
Yeah, is this Gabriel on the phone?
This is Gabriel Knight. Why are you calling me, Mr.
C'est
Ritter?
toi qui
I've been
téléphone.
having premonitions of great danger for you, Gabriel. You must leave New Orleans this very day.
What in the hell are you talking about?
It is hard to explain on the phone. I have had dreams about you. It took me a long time to have you tracked down. I knew that Heinz had a grandson, but until these dreams started, I did not know if I should contact you.
You say you're related to my grandfather?
Heinz was my brother. There is much about the
Aha.
family that you should know.
Il a
Come
jamais
to
parlé de
Schloss
son
Ritter
frère.
in Rittersberg, West Germany. It is our family home. I will tell you everything when you come. You must come immediately. You are in great danger there.
Look, I appreciate the family spirit and all, but frankly, I don't know you from Adam. And I'm not going to fly off to Germany, even if I could afford it.
Gabriel,
C'est à
please.
Rittersburg.
If you won't listen, at least let me send you something. It is a journal from one of your ancestors. Promise me you will read it. You are the last of our line. I'm too old to carry on. You are our last hope. Please, for your family, read the journal.
All right, I'll look at it.
Good. Now be careful and come to me as soon as you can. Goodbye.
Voilà. Est-ce qu'on pose une question à Grace?
It's about closing time.
Ok.
So it is. Good night, Gracie.
Good night, Gabriel. And try not to dream, okay?
Ouais, ça dépend des rêves, mais elle a pas précisé, franchement. Je pense qu'elle se fait des soucis et qu'elle parlait des cauchemars. Et ben ça devient coton.
Hello.
It's me. I can't sleep.
Oh, me neither.
Can I...
Yes. Come.
La route était bloquée, la vérité sciemment oubliée et le drapeau blanc levé. Dans ma retraite, je perdis tout, et tout ce que j'avais bravé. J'en connais un qui a fait de beaux rêves, le peu qu'il a rêvé.
Are you okay, Gabriel?
Sure. Great. Why?
I'm worried about you.
If I were any better, Grace, I'd be dead. Now what's up?
You got another package this morning. Overnight from Germany.
Eh ben, c'est du rapide, hein?
I was expecting that. Where is it?
Well, it kind of came open, but I salvaged the contents. There was a letter from your great-uncle Wolfgang and a journal.
The package just came open, huh? How'd you like the journal?
Someone has to look after you. You're in trouble, in case you didn't know it.
Yeah, you've been reading my horoscope again, haven't you, Grace?
Just read the journal carefully, Gabriel. Please.
I got it.
Ça a été expédié la
St.
veille au soir.
George's book. Oh, Professor Hartridge. I'm glad you called. Did you? Oh, you did. You did. Oh, wait. Slow down.
Did he?
The Agree. Really? You think that's them? Wheel within a wheel. Ogun Badagree, huh? Well, that does sound like it. Damballa, the snake. That's the wavy pattern at the bottom.
Damballa,
Okay.
c'est ce qu'il avait
The
dit à Moran.
1791 slave revolt in Santo Domingo? Well, why would the Veve show up there? Uh-huh. Okay. Look, I'll come over as soon as I can, okay? Relax, Professor. I'm excited too, but you're gonna give yourself a heart attack. Okay, thanks. See ya.
I wish you'd tell me what's going on. I swear you're gonna step into a hole you may never get out of.
Don't look so worried. No one knows what I'm doing. I'm perfectly safe, and I'm getting some great stuff for the book. Besides, there's something about all this. My dreams.
What about your dreams?
Oh, nothing. I'll be careful. I promise.
We got that book you ordered in this morning, the one on Rada drums.
Really? Great.
Eh ben, on a beaucoup de support pour commencer la journée 5. On verra si on a le courage de faire ça ce week-end. Au lieu d'un autre jeu. Livre de Saint-Georges, jour 5. Cette fois-ci, c'est enregistré. Eh bien, j'espère que ça vous aura plu. C'est un peu laborieux. On va essayer de se faire la prochaine session un peu plus cool, un peu plus relax, sans que ce soit trop prise de tête parce que ça commence à se compliquer. Sur ce, passez une bonne journée, une bonne soirée selon l'horaire et à la prochaine.